Thinking about a fresh start? Maybe you're feeling stuck at work or just craving more freedom and control over your life. Well, have you ever thought about becoming an electrician? Here's the thing. It's never too late to pivot. No fancy degree? Doesn't matter. Age? That's just a number. What does matter is this. You can start learning a high-paying, in-demand skill, starting today. Electricians earn between $25 and $45 an hour. That's not chump change. And these skills are needed everywhere. Homes, businesses, construction sites. Plus, you can specialize, go green with solar energy, get futuristic with smart homes, or tackle big projects with industrial wiring. But maybe the best part? You can become your own boss. Imagine setting your own hours, choosing your clients, and building a business that's truly yours. So how do you get started? It's simple. Enroll in a 6 to 12-month trade program. Work your way up from apprentice to journeyman to master. Then start serving your local community, and watch your reputation and income grow. Whether you're 18 or 58, it's never too late to build a career you're actually proud of. Gain independence, financial stability, and the satisfaction of real, hands-on work. If this fired you up, hit like, drop a comment, and follow along. I'm sharing life-building tips that can transform your future, one powerful step at a time.